Good morning, everybody. Chris 70 with 70 Investments and co-host of the Good Deeds No Investing podcast. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Morning Drive. I've actually completed my drive, but I want to do a video because this just popped in my head and was looking at investor questionnaires and wanted to talk, one, why they're important, but information you can get from them that is also very helpful. First, they are important, especially if you're looking to raise funds. I am not an attorney and not going to get into the legalities. I recommend you follow somebody like Jillian Sadati, who talks a lot about securities laws, or speak to your attorney. But what I wanted to talk about is, getting a questionnaire filled out from somebody, and, also not only just getting it filled out, but being able to use that information and get an understanding of their history. What have they invested in, or types of deals they have done? Where are their funds coming from if they're going to invest with you? Are they an accredited or not accredited investor? Have they been involved in lawsuits? And one of the best ways that I use to track this information is, people always hear me talk about Infusionsoft, CRM program, but it is very valuable because when you have somebody fill out a questionnaire, you can have it done in that system. So Infusionsoft can create a form that people fill out, and what you can do is tag people by each question they fill out. So if someone fills out that they have, between $10,000 and $20,000 or $25,000 and $50,000 to invest, if you have a deal that may have $10,000 or $12,000 in it, you can send it to them. I would still send a $50,000 deal to them anyways, but it's just a way to segregate individuals, including, if you were starting a fund and needed an accredited investor list, you would have that information. Or if you have people who want to invest in certain states or specific states, or they've invested in those states already and you have a deal, all of that is in there. So it's kind of a Rolodex, and it's important. So don't only just collect a questionnaire and stick it in a file. Take that information and use it to your advantage. So thanks for watching, and look forward to more videos. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any of the social media sites. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.